Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have a beautiful song from ANSON SEABRA called I Guess Peter Pan Was Right. So, great lyrics as well on the song here. We had no need for any capo on this one, and 5 chords to go over. So let's start with the chords. We have first the F. So that is a bar on the first fret, all strings. And the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Next chord we need is A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Moving on with D minor. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Then we have A sharp. So again, a bar here on the 1st fret. This time from the A string and down only, so 5 strings, all right? And the rest will be 3rd on D, 3rd on G, 3rd on B. If that is hard for you, you can just choose to let the 3rd B go there. So just have that barred, and it will be a bar still there on the 1st fret, and then 3rd on D and 3rd on G. That's a variation on this. Could work for the song. All right, and then we have the final chord left, the C. Okay, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so we have basically one strumming pattern, and it's 3 downs, you can say. Sometimes you play with a clap, so you have the beat and mostly do that, and sometimes it's just down, 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 3 downs. Okay, but like 90% of the song goes in the chord progression F, A minor, D minor, and A sharp. So that goes round and round except from a bridge part later in the song. But anyway, if you look at the strumming here, F is the 1st chord, so let's grab that one. And the strumming will be down, clap, down, clap, down, down, clap, down, clap, down. Alright, so it's down, clap, down, clap, down. That is one round. You could go without the last clap, so just play down, clap, down, down. So you skip the last clap just before the 3rd down. So again, that is one round. So a couple of rounds of this way of playing without the last clap will be. And with the clap, it will be like this. And so on. So if you listen to the song, it's actually claps there. So with it, but the way of playing without the clap will do that it will be more, yeah, it will ring out more the notes here from the down. So it's a matter of taste there. You go either way and that will work. So down, clap down, clap down. That is what we're gonna work with. But the first 2 rounds in the song will be just the down, so without any claps. So it will be like this. And so on. Just the downs for the first 2 chord progression rounds. So I'm gonna play 2 rounds for you just with the downs, and then I'm gonna go over to play a couple rounds with the claps. So let's go. So that is what's going on in this song. And about 2 minutes and 18 seconds into the song comes a bridge part in the lyrics, and I don't care. All right, so there we have a new chord progression. You're gonna play A sharp, to C, to F, and to D minor. You play with the same strumming there with the claps. So A sharp, C, F, D minor. You play that for 2.5 rounds. So that means you're gonna play A sharp, C, F, D minor, 1 round, and then again A sharp, C, F, D minor, 2 rounds. And the half round is the first 2 chords, A sharp and C. So after you play the C, then you go back and just play the standard chord progression F, A minor, D minor, and A sharp. And that is how this song ends. I'm gonna play this bridge part for you, and then I'm gonna go over into the standard chord progression. So let's go. And so on, and that you will play till the end. And that pretty much covers Anson Seabra's great song, I Guess Peter Pan Was Right. So thank you for watching. I hope this helped you, and give it a try. Easy chords and 1 strumming pattern. That's great. So see you soon. Play tuned.